Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav and in today's video I'm going to show you how can you create mappings between the related tables in Dynamic 365 CRM. For that here we are in our accounts table. Let's create one new record here. Name it as Chaudhary and Sons and this here we going to select like this. Now just save this record. Here you can see that account is related to order, and here we can see that the address city one is Muzaffarnagar. If I try to create a new order from here, we can see that bill to city and the ship to city is the same. It's coming from here from this field. How can you create this kind of mapping? I'm going to show you. For this, let's start. So this is my sales app application, and if I go to account table, open this record. So what I want to add a tab which have the subgrid of order, and then I'm going to add create a order from the subgrid, and I want some predefined field value from the count table. So I'm going to show you. First we need to go to Power Apps, and here we need to add that subgrid because the relationship one to one to account to order is already exist. So we need to add only a tab first and then a subgrid there. So click on the components. One column tab we will add. We name it as order tab, and in this section I'm going to add a subgrid. Table I would select order and click on done. And the label, select the label like this. And now we need to save and publish here. Now it's published. Go back here and do a refresh. So here are tab here, and we could see that there are already two order has been registered for this record. Now if I create a new order, so when I click on the new order, here we can see that the owner field is pre-populated, currency is pre-populated, and the potential customer is pre-populated. What I'm going to show you that we would add some new fields in the order table, and we will map them with the account fields. So for that we need to go back to our Power Apps, and this is a solution. I've already added order table here. Open it. Now we need to add a quick create form here. Let's see whether it's already added or not. No, it's the main form added here. Click on add existing form, and then we need to select this one, the quick create one. Click on add, open it. So like if I want to add bill to city, this field, like here, ship to city, and now click on save and publish. I want both these field to be pre-filled with the account tables field values. But before we will see that, now it's published. Go back here, do a refresh. So here we can see that two fields have been added, but they are not pre-filled with any values. So I want to add bill to city and ship to city values from this account record. Let's say the city one, this one. I want New Delhi to be pre-filled, or we can see that the value of address city one field to be filled whenever a user tries to create a record from here. I want those data to be filled in the both fields. So for that, what I need to do, I need to go back to the Power Apps, and then I need to open Advanced Settings from here. Now we need to open our solution in the classic mode. Select the entity, the account when it is good. Open the relationship here. This one, double click it. Now I want to add mapping, so click on mapping. These fields are mapped. I want a new mapping things, click on new. From account table, I want to add address one city. This one to bill to city. Click on OK. We have added it here. Click on new again. We need that same value in our another field which is called ship to city. So this one here. So we have mapped those fields from parent to child. Now click on save and close. Go to account form because we need to publish this customization, and here we could click on publish. Now it's published. Go back to your application, do a refresh here. As you can see this address and city is New Delhi. Go to order, and I create new order here. So here we can see that the bill to city and ship to city has been pre-filled according to account record city name. So that's it from our video. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe, and do comments if you have any query. Thank you for watching.